We'll see how this one goes. Hope you like it. Little bird in my dog's mouth, dropped from the breast, brought it in the house. Faded prints of red worm, drops of cool water, ate from my palm, drank from my saucer. Little bird in the shoebox, won't let me sleep, stare at the clock. Morning comes quickly, I jump out of bed. Open your house, new feathers on your head. Dog tiptoed, it's came back. Open your snout, you fell to the grass. Knew you were in a pickle, my bird friend. Little bird, you're a godsend. Little bird hopping in the yard, birds getting there, hit the ground hard. 10 days old, falling from the sky, a couple days from now you'll soar and fly. Hey little bird, where have you gone? I miss your squawking, I miss your song. Did you find a better branch to perch? Did you find your mama on their search? Dog tiptoed, ears pinned back, open her snout, you fell to the grass. Knew you're in a pickle, my bird friend. Little bird, you're a godsend. Little bird, you came back home, hopping in the yard, I heard your home. Gonna build your house, fill your feeder, my little friend, never thought I'd need her. Little bird in my dog's mouth, dropped from a nest, brought you in the house. Did you fix a red worm, drop a cool water, ate from my palm, drank from a saucer. Dog tiptoed, ears pinned back, open her snout, you fell to the grass. Knew you're in a pickle, my bird friend. Little bird, you're a godsend. Little bird in my dog